The Grand Canyon is a magnificent natural wonder of the world, located in northern Arizona, USA. Here's what I can tell you about it. Description: carved by the Colorado River. The Grand Canyon is a steep, sided canyon carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. It's 277 miles 446 kilometers long, up to 18 miles 29 kilometers wide, and attains a depth of over a mile 1857 meters. Stunning geological formations, the canyon exposes layers of colorful rock, revealing millions of years of geological history. You'll see shades of red, orange, brown, and yellow, creating a breathtakingly beautiful landscape. Diverse natural beauty. Beyond the canyon itself, the area surrounding the Grand Canyon boasts diverse ecosystems, including forests, meadows, and deserts. This variety makes it a haven for wildlife, plants, and unique desert landscapes. Activities and attractions. Grand Canyon National Park. Most of the Grand Canyon is located within Grand Canyon National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The park offers various activities, including hiking, camping, mule rides, rafting, and sightseeing. Scenic viewpoints. Numerous viewpoints along the rim of the canyon offer stunning panoramas of the vast expanse. Popular spots include Mather Point, Yavapai Observation Station, and Lipan Point. Hiking trails. Hikes ranging from easy to challenging provide access to different parts of the canyon and offer unique perspectives. The South Kaibab Trail and Bright Angel Trail are among the most popular. Cultural significance. The area has been home to indigenous tribes for thousands of years. The Hualapai, Havasupai, Navajo, and Hopi tribes have deep cultural connections to the land and continue to practice their traditions within the canyon. Planning your visit. Best time to visit. The Grand Canyon can be enjoyed year-round, but the spring and fall months offer pleasant temperatures and fewer crowds. Summer can be hot and crowded, while winter brings snow and limited access to some areas. Accommodation. Various lodging options are available near the South Rim, including hotels, lodges, campgrounds, and vacation rentals. Be sure to book well in advance, especially during peak season. Additional resource. National Park Service Grand Canyon website, https://www.nps.gov/grcost/ Grand Canyon Tourism website, https://grandcanyoncvb.org. Contact. I hope this information gives you a good overview of the Grand Canyon. Feel free to ask me any specific questions you have about this amazing natural wonder.